Hi everybody, I want to make a quick video for you guys. As you guys know, your paper is due in just a couple days. So I have a really important tip that hopefully can help you guys with the paper. So you guys ready for that important tip? A little drum roll. And maybe some of you guys already know this tip. But my tip is when you're doing questions number 1 and number 3, both which are involving Truman, that you do that smart. So as you guys know, you have a pretty wide range. You're reading in Truman. So if you're looking for specifics, for example, on Truman's childhood, and that's for question 1, or how he has grown or developed as a leader, that's later on in Truman. That's also for question 1. It might be a bit of a challenge to find what you need. In this case, you need specific examples and direct quotes to support your answers. So do that smart. And the way you do that is you grab your copy of Truman right here, and then here's the tip. Go to the very back of the book. Go to the index. There you go. Very back of the book. There you go, right there. Index. Whoops. And if you look up Harry Truman and have a long index of specific things about Harry Truman's life, it'll take you right to the pages you need. You guys have already read this. Presumably, keep my fingers crossed, you've already read this, but most of you have. But you may not remember exactly. Maybe if your memory maybe is better than mine, but if it's like mine, you probably don't remember exactly where you read that. Feel like you want to use that. That's where the index comes in really handy, because you simply go to the very back of the book of the index, look up Harry Truman, and it'll have a long list of very specific things about his life, things he did, his character, his personality, his role as a politician, his role in the military, his childhood as a parent with civil rights, etc., firing MacArthur, etc., etc. And so you guys can quickly zero in on the pages you need to answer questions number 1 and also number 3. So be a smart college student, use that tip. Obviously, you're relying on what you read already, but the index can help direct you right toward the specific pages you need for specific examples and the direct quotes which are required for each of these 1, 2, and 3. And 1 and 3 specifically deal with Truman. Number 2 deals with for the record, and number 3 also has a part for the record. But 1 and the first half of 3 are based on Truman. So be smart, use the index. It'll be a big help to you guys as you provide direct evidence and also specifically direct quotes to back up an aspect of Truman that you're talking about. Hopefully it'll save you guys a bunch of time, strengthen your paper, because now you provide the evidence I'm asking for, specifics, and direct quotes, and you go right to the pages for the topic of your choice that you're choosing, and just let the index help you. Again, you probably have some idea already in mind. Maybe, for example, be Truman on civil rights, on an issue he's grown in. Okay, great. So, yeah, use the index, look at Harry Truman, and look at civil rights. Take you right to those pages and help you zero in on what you need. I promise to make this short and sweet, so I will. So that's it. So I hope you guys, looking forward to reading your papers, do a good job, put out an excellent product. Let the index be a secret sauce to help you support your paper with strong evidence and direct quotes. So that's it, everybody. Look forward to reading your papers. Take care, everybody.